mago mag Kesha e counties ma bende giwuoke. Winjo kanyo Mr. Dickens Bula e county ma Homa Bay ma bende jatend skund sekondar ma Orero wacho ni gigeno rwako jopuonjre 800 e form 1. Jacob Mbogo ma bende jatend jopuonje skund sekondar ma Kanyawanga Boys bende wacho kanyo ni gigeno rwako yawuoyi 450 e skul e klas 9. Jojo Opiyo kanyo bende wacho ni Dr Aloo Gumbi mantiere county mano ma Kisumo bende gigeno rwako jopuonjre 240. Kiwinja Jojo Opiyo e county ma Kisumo studio marwa kanyo. Jopuonjre 240 ma uchano rwako Aloo Gumbi mano e form 1. Bende un gi capacity moromo, kilese bende untiere godo moromo jopuonjre maket kod mago.
Senator nyocha wan Dr Aloo Gumbi has 6 stream school. Koro nyiso ni capacity madhi absorb the 6 streams is there. Nikech wan gi those classes. There were even additional classes man wagero kane waparo ni we were going to host CBC to the CBC obedo anchored at primary. Koro we have empty classes. In fact, our capacity podi nyalo dhi up to 400. Koro wan kaka Dr Aloo Gumbi we have the capacity to have the 240 or even slightly more. 2 more classes. Kamano.
Manyiso di jopuonjre ma bende biro bedo kodiwo mok nene ma samoro manyo sikunde gin thuolo mar biro Dr Aloo Gumbi nikech wacho nun gi capacity malach nikech ken 6 kiwacho ni 6 streams.
Yeah, one gi capacity malach. Earlier on you can remember we were given CBC classes. Koro Dr Aloo Gumbi was lucky. The first CBC they only were 1 class. To the next one only were 2 classes. So we have 3 classes mag CBC. Mane wasegero. Koro these classes can be used to host the form 1s. Koro kaniti nyithindo may lack chances or capacity, schools more capacity, we have the capacity to absorb more.
Dibeni jopuonje bendu untiere godo moromo Jojo Opiyo. Mano mar puonjo jopuonjre makamago.
I have a capacity of 38 teachers. Koro mag board are around 3. Koro one give 41 teachers. But if need be, we can petition the TSC to add us more. But capacity, the most important thing, the capacity to host our students, we have.
Kanyilere yo makare, bendu kwa na dugu iri, wanu walose kutendre kodomenda.